Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most unique air fryers on the market, the 7.5 QT glass air fryer with a fully transparent fry bowl, 360 degrees hot air circulation, and a clean, modern white design. If you've ever wanted to actually see your food crisp, cook, and rise in real time, this might be the perfect upgrade for your kitchen setup. The first thing you notice is the transparent glass bowl. Traditional air fryers hide everything behind dark baskets, but this design lets you watch every stage of cooking. No more guessing if your fries are golden or if your chicken wings are crisp. You can check visually without opening the lid, preserving heat and giving more consistent results. With a 7.5 quart capacity, it offers plenty of space for family meals. You can load in large batches of fries, full chicken pieces, vegetables, frozen snacks, or multiple servings without crowding. The wide bowl shape also helps circulate air better than narrow baskets. The integrated 360 degrees hot air circulation system ensures the heat moves evenly around your food. That means faster cooking, crispier textures, and reduced oil usage without sacrificing flavor. Whether you're roasting chicken, baking pastries, air frying fries, reheating leftovers, or cooking frozen foods, the results stay consistent across the board. On the top, you get an easy-to-use digital touch control panel with clearly labeled presets and manual temperature time adjustments. Everything is straightforward and beginner-friendly. Just tap, set, and let it run. Safety is a big highlight of this model. Because the bowl is made from non-toxic, chemical-free glass, you avoid the coatings found in many metal baskets. It's resistant to stains, odors, and scratches. And after cooking, cleanup is effortless. The bowl is completely dishwasher safe, so you can place it directly into your dishwasher with no scrubbing. If you're looking for a modern, healthier way to cook with the added bonus of full transparency and easy cleaning, the 7.5 QT glass air fryer delivers great performance with stylish simplicity. If you want to check it out for yourself, the link is in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow Gadgetverse for more product reviews.